One day there is one animal who cannot sneeze. It is lion. The other animals can sneeze. The other animals say, "Lion, you cannot sneeze. You cannot be king." Lion is sad. He looks a little bird. Little bird say, "Hello, how are you, lion? I'm sad. I cannot sneeze. I cannot be king. Can you help me?" "Of course, I will help you." The little bird flies, go to the lion's nose. She dances and tickles his nose. Achoo! Lion can sneeze. Lion is so happy. Lion say, "Thank you, little bird. Now I can sneeze, and now I can be king."